Welcome back to the Crochet Credits. So it's my friends over at yarnspirations.com. This is the study of planet Earth. This is your final week where the water meets land. We're going to be doing your final border. This is my signature look on Afghans. I found this many years ago and I love it. It is the single crochet picot. I know some of you absolutely despise this stitch. I love it. Sorry about your luck. So that's it for this one. I'm going to get you started right now because we're going to finish because there's really only 2 rounds left. Welcome to week number 7. And in week number 7 there's only 2 rounds. So last time I was saying it's 2 or 3 rounds. It's actually only 2. So we're going to do one more round of single crochet and then we're going to do the picot round, which is the signature look of most of my Afghans. I learned this particular concept from Edie Ekman many moons ago in 2015 for the first stitch along with Yarn Inspirations way back in the old days. And I love how the finishing never looks flat. It just has a little bit of flair to it. It also gives, if your Afghan's not sitting so flat, it also gives a reason that you can just say it's flaring out. You know, it's a great thing. So let's take a look at the diagram. It's only 2 rounds and I'm going to give you some tips. So what we have here is that we have the Afghan. It really does sit flat. I know it doesn't look like here. Remember, this was mailed over to Yarn Inspirations at some point and I blocked it before I mailed it. So it's something that these edges would have been out a little bit further. So I'm not complaining by any stretch. So what we have here is that we have it almost nearly done. You see the edges are here and we have round number 56 and 57 to go. So what I can tell you for certain is that I would not worry about the stitch counts at this point. It's to the point where 57 can be faked if you really have to. So what we're going to do is that we're going to start up in chain 1 and put in 2 single crochets in the single crochet join and then do 1 single crochet in each stitch all the way to the corner. In the corner, so it'll be 3 single crochets. So we're going to start round number 56 and then 57 works on the principle based on 2 everything works in 2 stitches, but if you have to fake it, you have to fake it if it doesn't work out. So what I mean by that is that you could be off by 1 stitch if you weren't paying attention, but again, you can always fake it or make it, right? So let's begin round 56 and let's get this thing done. Okay, so let's go. We're going to chain up 1 and we're going to finish this corner when we come back around. So we're only going to put in 2 single crochets in the same corner to start with and then start. So when we get back here, we're going to only put in 1 single crochet and then join it with the slip stitch to the top of the first single crochet. So each one of these stitches, I'm not going to count the stitches, I don't need to, and I'm just going to apply 1 single crochet into each of these stitches going across, and then when you hit the next corner, which is a chain 1 space, you'll put in 3 single crochets and continue. So you no longer have the gapping spaces that you have on the corners, and that works in line so that round number 57 you can do the picot finishing. So this is going to be a kind of an easy week to do. The last round of doing the picot slows people down. Some people don't like it because of the speed, but the finishing looks really amazing. So let's continue now and let's go all the way around and I'll see you at the end of round number 56. So I'm coming all the way around, and remember what I said already is that the first 2 stitches of the 3 are in the corner already because that's the way we started. So I'm coming up right to the end and then finally in the chain 1 space, which was the single crochet join, single crochet, and then just join this to the first single crochet. Let's start your final round. The final round works in sets of 2. So everything is in sets of 2. If it doesn't work out at the end, I can show you how to fake it at the end, and I will show you that in just when we come back from that. But I want to get you started first. So everything is in sets of 2. So we're going to chain up 1 and you're going to place 1 single crochet in the same one as the join. You're now going to chain 3 and do a picot. So 1, 2, 3, and then sliding in to these 2 strands that you see. So slide right in and then yarn over, pull through and through, and there's your picot. And I want you to single crochet into the next one. So that's your group of 2. So let's start it again. So you're going to single crochet in the next one and then chain 3. So 1, 2, 3, and then slide in, pull through and through, and then single crochet in the next one. Let's show you one more time. So here we go. So single crochet first, chain 3, slide in for a picot, pull through and through, and then single crochet the next. So I want you to do that all the way around. When it comes to the corners, you don't have to worry about anything. So you just keep in sets of 2 and it will automatically turn the corner for you. So when I come back, I'm gonna meet you up here and we'll see if our counts are right. If they're wrong, I'm gonna show you how to fake it, but even if I'm right, I'm gonna show you how to fake it anyway. So that's what we're gonna do when we come back. So please do these single crochets with the picot going all the way around. So I'm just coming up all the way back around, and you just want to do your picot and then single crochet into the last one here, and then join it with the slip stitch to the beginning. Now my counting is actually accurate, so that's something that's actually kind of neat. If for example you had an extra stitch left over, which is possible if you've lost count somewhere along the way, what I would consider doing, here's the solution for you. Don't frog anything, you don't need to. Just go into the first one, pull through, and then if you have an extra one left over, which there isn't, I'm just gonna go into a join space just to prove it, and then just pull through, and then pull through all 3 loops, and that's a single crochet 2 together, and then just join it to the top of the first one, first single crochet to finish it. So it'll bring 2 stitches together and it'll look pretty good. So in my case I did finish right and the count's good, so I'm confident with that. So I'm just gonna finish it with a single crochet and then do a join. Now what you want to do to finish this completely off, you need a tapestry needle to do that, and just pull through and put your loop in your tapestry needle. And what I would do, just turn it over, get the back side only, and just kind of glide it through, and you want to glide it through 3 times. So once, and then back the other direction twice, and 3 times. So that concludes your Afghan for this time, and this is the study of planet Earth. Really kind of a fun idea. So I may be doing another study next year, 2020. You'll have to stay tuned to see what I come up with, and this is how to do this Afghan. So until next time, I will see you again, and have a good one. Bye-bye. So that's it for week number 7. You're officially done. Hopefully so. You know what? We're gonna have a giveaway at the end of this, so just stay tuned for your next video, and we hope that you've enjoyed your study of planet Earth with me. So stay tuned for your next video as we hold a giveaway together with you. Till next time, see ya.